Do you know the inside layout of this house? In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. There is a 20 feet container. The total area I have taken is the length is 20 feet in meter 6 meter and the width is 8 feet in meter 2.43 meter. So in the front we have a door here. After that we'll go inside. So we have kitchen cum bed area. The size of this area is 15 feet into 7 feet 4 inches in meter 4.57 into 2.23 meter. You can see here the kitchen cabinet with burner sink and two large size window for ventilation of this area, and we have a sofa and a bed arrangement, and also we have TV unit on the front wall, and on the right side we have large glass panel here for ventilation and light purpose. After that we'll go on the left side. So we have common use washroom plus water closet here. The size of this washroom is 4 feet into 7 feet 4 inches in meter 1.21 into 2.23 meter. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have two ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.